v. Bhagat vs. D. Bhagat, 1993. In this case, the Supreme Court of India emphasized that irretrievable breakdown of a marriage is a valid ground for divorce. The court stated that if a marriage has broken down beyond repair, it is better for the parties to part ways rather than continuing in a state of mental agony. Nil Ratan Kundu vs. Abhijit Kundu, 2008. The Supreme Court held that the wife's insistence on staying separately from her husband without any justifiable reason amounts to mental cruelty. This judgment further expanded the definition of mental cruelty in divorce cases. Sarathi vs. Renuka, 2017. The Supreme Court ruled that the refusal to wear sakha and sindoor by a Hindu wife does not amount to cruelty and cannot be a ground for the husband to seek divorce. Shyera Banu vs. Union of India, 2017. This case pertained to the practice of triple talaq, instant divorce, among Muslims. The Supreme Court declared the practice of triple talaq unconstitutional and set it aside, emphasizing that it is not an essential religious practice and violates the fundamental rights of Muslim women. Navtej Singh Johar vs. Union of India, 2018. Although not specifically related to divorce, this case was crucial in recognizing the rights of the LGBTQ+ community in India. The Supreme Court struck down Section 377 of the Indian Penal Code, which criminalized consensual homosexual acts. This judgment indirectly impacts divorce cases involving same-sex couples. Ankur Mehta vs. M/S/MG Contractors, 2019. This case highlighted the importance of addressing the rights of homemakers and awarding them monetary compensation in divorce settlements. The court recognized the non-monetary contributions of a homemaker and held that they are entitled to compensation for their efforts. K. Srinivas Rao vs. D.A. Deepa, 2013. The Supreme Court held that live-in relationships are not illegal or unlawful and that women in such relationships can seek maintenance under the Domestic Violence Act.